Like brooms and cones and
So-
generators, like none of us are riding.
Yeah. These are the bike dads, the superstar dads.
Hey!
Hey, what's happening?
Just gonna film all the rock stars, the future stars. Alright, hi guys. So we're just here at the practice area, filming all the superstar kids of the minis here, and just gonna show you some of their machines here. First one here is Reese's machine, which is the Ovale. I believe it's a 110. And then this one here is one of their training bike. This is the Suzuki DRZ70. And then here, I believe, is the new bike of Lincoln, which is a 110. And then I don't know who this is. There's another Valley. And then CRF 70. Then we got here PTR 110. Oh, there's a trial bike. Hey, how you guys doing? How come it's leaking gas? Oh, you forgot to close the.
What?
Forgot to close the. What do you call it? Yeah. Hi, Reese. There's Torin. Hey, Torin. How you doing? Lincoln here. And then there's the KTM 65. There you are. The boys are just taking a little bit of a break before they go back out for some more session. And then here's that, and then there's Coco. And then Ben is cleaning up. Actually brought a blower. Hey Nick, is that a 110 Del Valley?
No, 160.
Oh, 160.
Yeah.
Do we have a 190 here, or just
No, there's
110 and
no-
160?
Two 110s
Oh, okay.
and a 160.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, we're working on the team.
I like the color combo.
Yeah, well this one's going to be yellow and black soon because that's our team colors.
Yeah, yeah. So you're just gonna paint the bodywork.
We're getting a body wrap done.
Oh, okay.
Pixel Imaging, who's one of our sponsors, is going to do a body wrap for it.
Very nice.
So yeah, and get it in team colors.
Right on.
Sponsors on it.
So is it fitted for Philip now, like the suspension and everything?
Yeah,
All
it's
set up?
JDS gave us a free unit to try.
Okay.
So that's the JDS upgraded rear suspension with a spring for him, and
I
then
see that.
I got the custom springs in the front for his weight. And,
Are they cartridges in the front?
No, it's preload adjusters on the top. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, it's not cartridge yet, but we'll see
Yeah.
how fast it goes
Yeah.
on it.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's
Right
kind
on.
of it's nice to settle in on it. You know, he hadn't ridden a Valley since the end of last year.
Yeah.
Been on the lake all the
Yeah.
time. So
That's awesome.
So 160. 160. 80.
It's Italy. Nick, did it come standard with aero exhaust?
Sorry? Yeah, it does, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is Philip's machine that he's going to use at Ovale Cop. And here is, I believe this is Lincoln.